Today's Trains, Planes and Automobiles travel blog is a trip on the train again. I'm doing the same journey that I did last time, and this time the only difference is I have booked assistance. So I phoned up yesterday. No, I didn't. I emailed yesterday on the Southwest Trains website, and I put my details in and told them I wanted a ramp and help on and off the train from here to Salisbury. So obviously I'm going to do the same journey I did before, where I just turned up last time. This time I'm asking for help, and we'll see what difference there is being made. Now the only problem is I haven't been able to book the return journey because, well, I don't know what time I'm coming back for starters, but there wasn't any option on the website to put in the return journey, so I don't know how you do that. But we'll play it by ear. Hopefully we should get some sort of difference in service, because last time I got left on the way back. Obviously we may have the same problem this time, I don't know. However, let's go and buy the ticket and carry on from there.
Well, then signal to London Smith, please.
Opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Platform. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
Hello there. I have a booking for Salisbury.
Righty-ho, for Salisbury. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's okay.
Is that right?
Salisbury, so...
It's fairly straightforward, isn't it? 10:02, is it?
Yeah, 10:02. Not a problem.
Probably like I couldn't book the return journey because I don't know what time I'm going to come back.
All you need to do is just let them know when you get to Salisbury. And what they should do is ring us, because what we'll do is ring to let them know you're on your way as well.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
What's your name, please?
Andy Wright.
Andy Wright. You can hold on to that, because
Okay.
I'll go and get the...
All right.
When it comes in, I don't know which, because it'll be a 3 carriage, not too dissimilar.
Okay.
Well, it'll be a bit more modern than that one, most likely.
Yeah.
And when it comes in, I'll have a better idea of where the sort of actual door is for wheelchairs, and we'll get you on.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other end, you'll be able to. Do you know what platform it comes on? Left
Yeah,
or
it's
right?
this one. Yeah,
Left or right?
it's on this one. It'll be coming in from that direction, going off in that direction.
Yeah.
So
I meant like in Salisbury. Is it left or right on Salisbury?
I've never been to Salisbury. I've not got a clue.
Oh.
So yeah, you'll have one up on me there. I still haven't been there, so.
It's just that when I go in, if I reverse in, I need to know going left or right.
Pete does Salisbury every day, so because he actually lives there. So.
I just wondered when you get to Salisbury, what side of the is it left or right on the platform?
What's in? It's probably going to be left hand side you come in. It depends on what, because you can be brought into different platforms, so it can be hit and miss. The best thing to do, are you concerned about getting off, are you? Or?
Yeah, because when I go on, I'll reverse in so that I'm facing the right way.
Oh, I'm with you, mate. I'm with you.
Turn round.
What train are you going on?
10:02.
Going on the Pompey.
Yeah.
As you go in, I think, and you'll be getting off on the right hand side.
So same as I get on.
As it's going in, it's going to be the right hand side.
All right.
Speak to the conductor, Jordan, to make sure, but I think it will be on the right hand side.
Yeah. All right.
Is that all right, mate?
Yeah, brilliant.
No problem at all.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem at all. You okay?
Information on train times are coming.
So interestingly, they didn't need that bit of paper, but they didn't want to keep it anyway. And I asked about return journey. They said, "Don't worry about it. Just ask them at the station," which is what I did last time. So making a booking, yeah, we'll see how we go anyway. Because this journey's booked as far as assistance is concerned. But the chappies here are very nice, so they sort of helped out and gave the other chappie gave advice about which side I would get off in Salisbury. So obviously if you get on the train and then you've got to faff around trying to turn the scooter round, you may as well do it when you get on and save all the hassle at the other end, because it's a very tight turn on some of the trains, so your doorway is quite tight. So that one, right, now that train's gone, I can actually hear myself talk. Yeah, so we've got about 8 minutes, I think. 5, 6, 8 minutes to go. So we'll catch you in a minute when the train arrives.
Fareham, Cosham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. This train has 3 coaches. Platform 2, London 10:02 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth
Yeah, I was just taking a photograph.
Oh, I don't blame you. It's a nice day. It's popped up as to where the wheelchair one is.
Platform 3, London 10:02 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Fusing, Reading and London Paddington. This train has 8 coaches. First class standing.
Maybe there it is somewhere, yeah. Chair.
Barron, Caution, Bratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour. This train has three coaches. Platform 2, number 10, Luton, refusal, Portsmouth Harbour, Southampton Central.
Oh.
I'll let them know you're on the way as well.
Okay.
There you go. Portsmouth Harbour, yes, say that.
Tight connection, tap to all again.
Want to go in? Go in.
I was going to go.
Alright, okay, go.
Are you okay there, or do you need any help?
No, I'm just reversing, as it were.
You know, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah. Put that in there. was actually the disabled toilet. It was marked as being disabled, and you will not get a wheelchair in here. It's more for walking disabled. Yeah, they should be waiting for me. If it all goes to plan. Yeah.
Do you want me to give them a show?
If you wouldn't mind just seeing them.
Oh,
They're there.
excellent.
That's
They're on
fine.
the ball today.
Should be, I booked it. So.
Well, that doesn't mean anything.
No, I know it doesn't. No.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to go through?
No, I've got it back.
Oh, you got it back.
Thank you.
Okay.
There you go.
So we arrived at Salisbury, had a bit of problem getting off. I couldn't get out the doorway because of my bag, but apart from that it was all okay, and now looking forward to the return journey. Probably worthy to note that there are some nice people in the world, and they do help you, and they do offer to help you, apart from the lady that wouldn't move off the seat for priority seats, so she wouldn't move off for me. But apart from that, all good.
Yes, have a wonderful time. So where's the phone? Oh, what's that?
Where are you going? Westbury. It's this one here. This one gone. 152.
Okay.
Middle 3 coaches.
Okay.
On the other side. You need to use the subway to get there, sir.
Okay.
I will contact my colleague to take a run for you.
Yep.
All
Okay.
right? You've got to book the system.
I booked it, but I didn't know what time I was coming back.
Right.
So I booked this morning.
Which one is your final destination?
Westbury.
Westbury, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Can't do it that way. Sorry, mate. Excuse me, mate. You don't mind moving the bags across it again? So you can do it. Brilliant. Okay. Check it.
Is that one definitely gone up front, mate? Says it's to Exeter.
That one gone in front, Michael. There's a front 3 gone. Yeah, you can go this way. Change at Bristol, be there 4:40. Alright, mate. Yeah, you change at Bristol, mate, alright.
What time I get in this?
4:40 into Exeter.
What time I get to Plymouth?
Should go straight through. Quarter to 6, give or take a couple of minutes.
The quickest one, mate, yeah?
Yeah. That'll be the quickest way of doing it now, mate. The train you get on out of Bristol takes you straight through, alright? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, cheers.
Alright, mate.
You let Westbury know?
Yeah.
Ring?
Yeah, I'll do. Yeah.
Cheers.
For the Exeter service will need to leave this train immediately. This is the service to Bristol. My apologies for this slight delay to this service. It is expected we will be approximately 10 minutes late when we arrive at Warminster. This is owing to animals being on the line. Thank you.
This is Westbury. This train is for Bristol Central. The next station is
Hello, mate. All right? Oh, yeah.
They've put these studs in now, and they're meant to go in the olds.
Really?
Yeah. One of the new.
It's a bit of a silly method, isn't it?
There you go, I've got it now. He didn't used to have those on, it's because it's one of the refurbished ones.
Alright, thank you very much.
That's alright, you're welcome.
That's the end of my travel blog for this time. Safely back in Westbury, no problem. Now, probably not a fair judgment because I didn't book both ways, but the outward journey was booked and the outward journey was fine. It was about the same as last time. The inward journey was actually quite a lot better because they were actually prepared for me to get off the train, and I hadn't even booked it. So, you know, I don't know. I think we need to do another one. I think we need to do another trip, and best of 3, because I was actually very impressed with this trip because even the guard was there with his ramp on the way off there at Westbury. So, you know, I mean, you can't really judge it. And I think we're going to do one more time, and this time I will book both trips. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share, but also please subscribe to my channel for more of these fantastic travel blogs. I would say that, wouldn't I? Thank you for watching, and goodbye.